In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the sticker cover up in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video by tapping the import button and selecting your file. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, tap on the stickers tab. Scroll down and look for the cover up category. Browse through the available stickers and select the one that you preferred. Add it to the track. Drag its edges to adjust its duration to match the part of the video you want to cover. In the previous screen, rescale and reposition the sticker to perfectly cover the target area. Now with the sticker selected, go to the Animation tab. Select from In, Out, or Loop Animation to add movement to your sticker. This helps make your edit more dynamic and professional looking. Now if you're going to apply the same sticker to another part of the video, just copy and paste it to another part. Once everything looks good, preview the video to see the result. Once satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your final video. And that's it! You've successfully used sticker cover up in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!